So our first trade was about 898 under a 9. As it broke down 9, as it started to creep back up with some volume, I actually exited it quite early. My initial stop was here, right? So I saved quite a bit there, almost half of my risk there saved. That was a loser, and then it came back again, and again similar sort of setup. This was better for me because this was not initial 15 minutes of the market open. This was like way after 30 minutes. So I took this, and it just yanks us out and then does this. The reason why I got out here is because I just could not trust the price to be very like trending at that time. So that's why I had kept my hard stop here. Nevertheless, it's very tiny losers, definitely tiny losers compared to the winner, but two straight off losers, and next trade was right over here, much cleaner, washes off, and finally the 9 gives up and then washes off, holds, and then opens off the hold, gradually starts to calm down a bit, and once it starts to show sign of weakness right under 8, or actually just before 8, 810s, 811s, I took the short with a stop just over 845s, and then first partial was taken 720, 726, and then as it started to wash and then come back up, I figured this was a healthy pullback, so there was a setup to re-enter here, and I re-added here with my trailing stop just over that, and it did give us something. I wanted to take just over 7. I was a bit stingy and greedy. I should have taken that 715s maybe on the second, right over here at the pause, but I didn't, and it comes back and takes us out on the trailing stop, but still nice green on this. So this winner basically wipes out these two small losers. So for me, today I've traded B big for A. So B big, break even for the day, and those are the only trades I took. Anyways, take it easy, guys. I will see you in the live stream tomorrow, and until then, stay safe and ciao.